Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word NTI in depth. First, the definition. NTI means National Telecommuting Institute, supporting employment for disabled workers. Think of it simply as an organization helping people work from home if they have disabilities. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. NTI traces back to 1995 when it was founded to promote remote work opportunities for disabled individuals. Over time, it's been used by organizations focused on inclusion and accessibility. The word is carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use NTI in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. NTI helps many people with disabilities find telecommuting jobs that fit their skills and needs. Correct example 2. Our company partnered with NTI to improve remote hiring practices. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to NTI my coffee, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using NTI correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. NTI means National Telecommuting Institute, supporting employment for disabled workers. It comes from its founding in 1995, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with NTI down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.